Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon not shrink. To begin, always start your bacon in a cold pan. This allows the fat to render slowly and evenly, preventing the meat from seizing up and shrinking. Lay your bacon strips flat without overlapping them. Cook over a consistent medium-low heat, turning occasionally. This gentle approach ensures your bacon cooks through beautifully, staying flat and delicious. Another excellent technique involves adding a small amount of water to your pan with the bacon, just enough to cover the bottom. As the water slowly evaporates, it gently cooks the bacon, rendering the fat without causing it to curl or shrink excessively. Once the water is gone, the bacon will crisp up perfectly. Alternatively, baking bacon in the oven on a wire rack also promotes even cooking and minimal shrinkage. For oven baking, place your bacon on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, then put a wire rack on top. For even flatter bacon, you can place another baking sheet directly on top of the bacon strips. This gentle weight keeps the bacon pressed down as it cooks, resulting in perfectly flat, crispy slices. This method is fantastic for cooking larger batches with consistent results and less mess. Finally, selecting a thicker cut of bacon naturally reduces shrinkage, giving you more substantial, satisfying slices. Always pat your bacon dry with paper towels before cooking, regardless of the method. This removes excess moisture, leading to a crispier texture. Remember, a little patience goes a long way in achieving perfectly cooked, non-shrunken bacon every time. And hey, while you're perfecting your breakfast, why not treat your feet? Check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.